How to change your phone number on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your phone number on Instagram. Basically it's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Instagram app, click on it, and now go to your profile and go to your profile and click on those three lines, click on setting and click on account. Now all you need to do is click on the first option, which is personal information, and they're gonna give you your email address, your phone number, and you have also your birthday. And all you need to do is click on your phone number and now tap your new phone number and click on next, and they're gonna send you a message on your new phone number, and you're gonna enter the code and open your Instagram with your new phone number. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.